911. Do you have a police, fire, or medical emergency?
Police.
Okay, where at?
It's on Granite Reef. It's at the location that I'm at right now. I just gave a ride to, I'm giving a ride to my friend, and he's, like, moving this, and he don't want to get off my
Granite Reef and what cross street?
Are
you
I don't know what, I'm new here. I don't know where, the two crossroads are.
Okay.
No, get out. Please get off my car.
Are you near, like, Oak or Cypress?
Is
that him in the back?
Yeah, he has a gun. I need
okay, listen to me. You talking to me does not delay the officers. I need you to answer my questions so I can help you. Has he threatened you with the weapon?
Yeah, he don't want to get out of my car and
listen, has he pointed the gun?
No, oh my God. He's holding a gun at himself.
Put your f***ing hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Still on. Yeah. Tourniquet where at?
On the leg.
She got the tourniquet?
Tourniquet on the leg.